Hi and welcome to another how-to video from us here at AST Limited, home of the Fastime stopwatches range. In this video we'll be showing you how our Fastime 1 stopwatch works. The Fastime 1 is a robust entry-level digital stopwatch designed for essential timing tasks in sport, schools and coaching. Known for its durable yellow case and extra large display, it provides a reliable, user-friendly experience for non-critical event timing. Press B until you are at the stopwatch display. If the counter is already running, press C to stop and A to reset to 0. Press C to start, press C to stop, this is timeout, press C to continue, C to stop, and A to reset. Press C to start, press A to take the split, which is a cumulative split. Press A again to release the timer. Press C to stop and A to reset. Press C to start. Press A to stop. Press C. This is the time of the first finish. Press A again to release. And this is the time of the second finish as the stopwatch has been running in the background. Press A to reset. Press B to switch between stopwatch and time of day display. Hold C to display month, day and date. Hold A to display the alarm. Hold A and press C to turn the alarm on and off. Press and hold B to go to the alarm mode. Then press B once more. Press C to select the digits and press A to change the digits. Hold A for rapid digit change. Press B to return the time of day display. Press B and hold to enter the set mode. Press C to select the digits. Press A to change the digits. Press B to return to time of day. And that's the Fastime 1. We've included a link to the downloadable instructions in the description box below. You can also contact us via our website if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.